Hi boys and girls, I wanted to show you some things that we're going to be working on through math. This video is about 7-4. Make sure you get that, 7-4. Okay, need a new. Now that you know that, I'm going to show you 3 different word problems. This first one, I'll label it number 1, not 4. The basketball court has sides that are 42 feet, 37 feet, 42 feet, and 37 feet, and 4 right angles. What is the distance around the court? The first thing I'm going to do is draw a picture. A lot of these word problems you will understand much better if you draw a picture rather than just deal with the words. It says here that I have a basketball court that has sides and 4 right angles. When I picture a basketball court, I picture a nice rectangle with 4 right angles. Now remember, in my drawing it is not perfect, so I put these right here just to remind myself that's meant to be a right angle, even if it doesn't look like one. Then it also has these 2 numbers in it. It has 42 feet and 37 feet. There's 2 of each of them. I'm going to look at my rectangle. I have a long one and a short one. The long one is going to be the bigger number, which is 42 feet. So I'm going to write 42 feet on my long sides. My 2 up here is a little funky. Let me fix it. Then on my short sides, I'm going to write 37 feet. And yes, I forgot my labels. Feet, feet. Now I've drawn my picture to help me visualize and see what is this word problem. Then it asks, what is the distance around the court? That means that I'm going to have to find the distance of this whole thing. So I have to add 37 plus 42 plus 37 plus 42. Now there's a lot of different strategies that you can use to add this. You can do 42 plus 42, 37 plus 37, then add those together. I'm going to do 37 plus 42, and then 37 plus 42 in 2 separate spots. So I have 37 plus 42. I add my 1's first. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Then I add my 10's. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So I get 79. I have added this one and this one. I still have these 2 to add. So I'm going to do 37 plus 42. Guess what? I don't have to go through the process of adding again because I already did it right here. I just have to rewrite my answer, 79. I'm not done yet. I just have 2 79s. What do you think I have to do with both of them? I have to add them together. I'm going to move that over to here. So I have 79 plus 79. Then my answer will plop right into this little spot. I start with my 1's. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Check your doubles. Carry that 1. 7 plus 7, another doubles. 14 plus 1 more makes 15. So my answer is 158. Uh-oh, I need a label. 158 what? I look back up in my word problem, 158 what? Feet. F-E-E-T. 158 feet. And there you go is my answer. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Over here, this word problem is a bit different. Let's read it. The fence around the picnic area has sides with lengths of 33 yards. 56 yards, and 61 yards. What is the total length of the fence? I'm going to start by drawing that Because remember, we need to visualize and see what do we have going on. Oops, that color is just fine. So I have one side that's 33, one side that's 56, 61, and it's in yards. If you want, you can fill in your label right away. I'm going to do it real quick. Yards. Okay. With these three sides, I have a small, a medium, and a large. I'm going to start with my small one. This one will be my 33. I'll go a medium one, 56. Uh-oh. Now what do I have to do? I only get one more line, 61. I have to connect these, and that will make 61. Now your fence and triangle might be different, but when there's only 3, 1, 2, 3 lengths, it has to be a triangle. You can't make a square or a rectangle out of only 3 lengths. So now we have our triangle. I've got my 33, my 56, and then my longest one, 61. What do you think I have to do with these? It wants me to find what is the total length of the fence. That means I'm going to have to add them together. I have to add my 56 plus my 61 plus my 33. I'm going to do it in one long sequence this time. Because I think I can add 3 numbers at a time. So I'm going to do 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 6 is 10. Carry that 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Plus 5 is 15. And there's your answer, 150 yards. Okay, that's your triangle one. Remember, if there's 1, 2, 3, it's a triangle. If there's 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to be a rectangle or square or some form of quadrilateral. There's one more problem I want to show you. This one only gives you one number when you take a quick look. So we have to read it and see what do we do with this number. A playground game is outlined in chalk. Each of the 4 sides is 84 inches long, and there are 4 right angles. What is the total length of the outline? Hey, I see some words again. 4 sides, 4 right angles. I'm thinking back, 4 right angles means it has to be a square or a rectangle. Now, if each side is 48 inches long, is it going to be a square or a rectangle? It's going to be a square. You only have one number, so every side must be that number. 48, 48, 48. Okay, what is the total length of this outline? They drew it in chalk. They're each 48 inches. I have to add them. Remember, I'm going to do this plus this, 48, plus 48. Start with your ones. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 1 more equals 9. Then if I do it again, 48 plus 48, I don't even have to worry about adding it because it's the same numbers, so it's just going to be 96. I'm not done. I have 2 answers. I need to add them together to get one more. 96 plus 96. Again, these turned out really nice doubles for you. I don't know if your homework will be the same, but at least you know how to make it happen. Start with your ones. 6 plus 6 is 12. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 1 more is 19. 19 what? Ooh, what did they measure it in? We have 48 inches. So I'm going to write 19 inches. All right, I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure if you have any questions, feel free to have your parents message me on Seesaw. Good luck. This is 7-4.